مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome to this lesson in Levantine Arabic, where you will learn to speak about your schedule and plans, including refresh your memory about parts of the day and days of the week. يلا نبلش. Let's begin. First, in case you can't remember them, all days of the week. أيام الأسبوع. يوم is a day. أيام, days. الأسبوع, the week. Let's begin with Monday. I've started with Monday as the first work day. التنين. التنين. In standard Arabic, that's al-ithnain with a tha. However, we always pronounce it as il-tanin in colloquial Lebanese. Tuesday, il-talata. Il-talata. Again, a ta instead of a tha. Il-talata. الثلاثاء in standard Arabic. Wednesday, il-irba'a. Il-irba'a. We drop the glottal stop at the end in standard Arabic. الأربعاء. الخميس. Same. الخميس. الجمعة. الجمعة. السبت. الأحد. So mainly the first three, you have some pronunciation differences between colloquial and standard. And if you've noticed, they're associated with numbers. So الأحد from واحد, التنين from اثنين, الثلاثة from ثلاثة, الأربعة from أربعة, and الخميس from خمسة. الجمعة comes from together, to have a gathering, whether that's in the olden days where they used to gather like for commercial purposes or for prayer, and السبت, which is day of rest. Parts of the day, again to refresh your memory. الصبح. الصبح. And we also have a period which is called قبل الظهر, before noon. قبل الظهر. ظهر is noon and قبل is before. So قبل الظهر. That would be somewhere like, for example, between, let's say 10:30, 11, 11:30, around that time, just before noon. قبل الظهر. And we have الظهر. الظهر. noon. And بعد الظهر, afternoon, or the afternoon. بعد is after, الظهر is noon. المساء, evening. المساء. In standard Arabic, it's المساء. المساء with a glottal stop. So in standard Arabic, it's al-masa with a glottal stop, but in colloquial, we tend to drop those glottal stops or the hamza at the end of the word for ease of pronunciation. So we simply say il-masa. And then we have layl. Layl means night. Layl. Bil-layl, bi plus il, definite article plus layl. Bil-layl. It assimilates altogether. Bil-layl, that means nighttime, or literally in the night, at night. We are here today. اليوم. يوم is a day. اليوم means today. Same thing with when we look at ليلي over here. ليلي is a night. Remember, ليل is nighttime. ليلي is a night or a single night. ليلي. When we add the alif lam, الليلي, it becomes tonight. Just like اليوم, it becomes today. Because يوم is a day. اليوم is today. امبارح, yesterday. امبارح. أول امبارح, the day before yesterday. Using أول, ordinal number. أول is the first, literally, first. بكرة, tomorrow. بكرة. بعد بكرة literally means after tomorrow. بعد بكرة. So أول امبارح, امبارح, اليوم, بكرة, بعد بكرة. And of course, الليلي, tonight. To practice, maybe you can write down a sentence for each of those. An example of a schedule of appointments. جدول المواعيد. موعد is an appointment. مواعيد is appointments. الثمان الساعة 9:15 literally means 9 minus a quarter. To review how to tell the time, you can check the description box for the lesson about time. بدي شوف حكيم الأسنان. بدي is I want to. You can replace it with, for example, I will, راح. راح or ح for the future. So راح شوف or ح شوف is I'm going to see حكيم الأسنان. So بدي شوف I want to, or you can use the future using راح or ح for short. شوف حكيم الأسنان. الثلاثة الساعة 1:30 بعد الظهر in the afternoon. Notice that ظهر is pronounced with the emphatic the, however it's spelled with a the, but we pronounce it with an emphatic the. بعد الظهر. Just a note. بدي اتغدى مع المدير. I want to have lunch. So instead of saying آكل, to eat, we have a verb for that. So please use this verb, اتغدى. And that sounds more natural. اتغدى. Just like اتروى, to have ترويئة, or اتعشى, to have عشاء. الأربعة. Can you read this time? الأربعة الساعة 2:30 إلا 5. So I literally said 2.5 minus 5. That's how we read this time. بدي اتمرن. I want to exercise or literally to train or practice. اتمرن. اتمرن. بالنادي الرياضي. In the sports gym. نادي is a gym. Could be a club as well. بالنادي الرياضي. رياضي is an adjective from رياضة, sports. Literally means something like sports gym. الخميس الساعة 10:10 بالليل. بدي احضر فيلم بالسينما مع أصحابي. I want to watch a movie in the cinema with my friends. أصحابي, my friends. الجمعة الساعة 11:05. We can say قبل الظهر, before noon. بدي زور خالتي. I want to visit my maternal aunt. بدي زور. السبت الساعة 8:15. 8:15 literally 8:15. بدي روح على البحر. I want to go to the sea literally or the beach. We alternate over here the meanings. You can say شط البحر, the beach. الأحد نص ليل. So نص is half or mid. ليل is night. So نص ليل means midnight. بدي سافر على Paris. I want to travel to Paris. بدي سافر على Paris. helpful verbs that you can use to speak about your routine and schedule. Obviously, you can add ha prefix or rah particle to form the future. And if you want to form the present continuous, you simply add am, and that goes for any pronoun. So for example, أنا عم آكل. I am eating. هو عم ياكل. He is eating. هن عم ياكلوا. They are eating. أنا رح آكل. I am going to eat or I will eat. هو ح ياكل. هن ح ياكلوا. They will eat or going to eat. Just note for verb to go, in the present continuous, that's an exception. Some verbs we always prefer to use the active participle in the present continuous. Just like you say, أنا ساكن في Beirut, for example, I live in Beirut, and أنا ساكن in the feminine. Same thing over here, أنا رايح على الشغل. I am going to work. We use رايح. In the feminine, رايحة. Why? Because it's a noun. So any type of noun in Arabic is either masculine or feminine. So if you're a male, رايح. If you're a female, رايحة. Something like when you say أنا ساكن, instead of saying I am living in Beirut, you're like literally saying I'm alive, or something like that. It's not a very accurate translation, but just to give you an idea, it's a noun and not a verb. So hence we have to change it to the feminine when appropriate. So we never say أنا عم روح على الشغل. We say أنا رايح وأنا رايحة. For some verbs, in the continuous, we always use the participles. And I've got specific classes about participles that you can check out. So روح, آكل, اشرب, زور, سافر, أعمل, أطبخ, احضر, امشي, to walk, اعزف على البيانو, اركض على البحر, run by the beach or sea, سوق السيارة, drive the car, حضر, to prepare something with a double the. بدي حضر الأكل, I want to prepare the food. غسل, to wash with a double سين. بدي غسل الثياب أو غسل الصحون. رتب with a double تا. بدي رتب الأوضة أو رتب المكتب, the office, etc. So you can use any of those common verbs. In the past, for example, you can say امبارح أو أول امبارح, the day before yesterday. رحت, I went. أكلت, I ate. شربت, I drank. زرت, I visited. سافرت, I traveled. عملت, I did. عملت رياضة, I exercised, or I did exercise literally. عملت pizza, I made a pizza. طبخت, I cooked. حضرت, I watched. حضرت فيلم. مشيت على الكورنيش أو على البحر. عزفت على البيانو أو على الجيتار. ركضت برا, I ran outside. سقت السيارة. حضرت شيء, I prepared something. غسلت الثياب, I washed the clothes. رتبت أوضتي, I organized my room or tidied it up. So all very helpful in terms of speaking about your schedule in the past. Of course, there's lots of other verbs that you can use. This is just a selection of some of the common ones that you need. وصلنا للنهاية. We've reached the end. Do let me know in the comments about your plans and schedule, and try to use each of, for example, today, tonight, yesterday, the day before yesterday, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, in a sentence if you can. So that's your challenge, to use each of them in a sentence. Are you up for the challenge? Let me know in the comments. If you found the video useful, Please do leave a comment because it does help the channel and it keeps the content flowing. شكرا كتير كتير من كل قلبي لإلكم. And thank you with all my heart.
Are you ready to unlock the beauty of the Lebanese language? Introducing the Lebanese Mega Bundle, your gateway to mastering Lebanese spoken Arabic conversation. Whether you're a complete beginner or aiming for a higher intermediate level, my comprehensive courses have got you covered. No previous knowledge of Arabic is required. With the Lebanese Mega Bundle, you'll gain access to all levels of the program, from the very basics to advanced conversations. Plus, you'll even get access to future courses. And the best part, you can get it all for a one-off discounted price. That's right, unlimited lifetime access to my vast library of resources and the largest online course and resource platform specialized in Lebanese language learning. Worried about support? Don't be. With direct support available via the chat button during UK working hours, you'll never feel alone on your learning journey. So how does the online self-paced program work? It's simple. We all know that mastering a language takes time and effort. That's why I've packed the Lebanese Mega Bundle with everything you need to succeed. With over hundreds of hours of learning content, you'll have the resources and time necessary to achieve a near native level of fluency, which requires a minimum of 2,600 hours. Say goodbye to limited and overpriced or unverified online resources. The Lebanese Mega Bundle provides you with the largest online library of courses, quality videos, audios, flashcards, checklists, suggested activities, and study plans. You'll have downloadable written resources at your fingertips. From vocabulary to grammar, reading comprehension to conversation skills, you're covered. And to top it off, I've included a selection of interesting stories for you to savor. Need assistance? It's just a click away. If you have any questions or require support, simply use the chat button for help. If you require further one-on-one support and course feedback, as well as speaking practice, you can opt at any time to join my private Inner Circle Telegram study and support group for a minimal monthly fee, available only for the Lebanese Mega Bundle students. A safe and supportive, friendly space where you can practice your Lebanese and get personalized feedback. You can also book for discounted conversational online lessons, but remember, commitment is key. These self-paced and online courses in the program offer flexibility, control, and easy access to a wide range of resources. However, true progress requires effort and study hours. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting language learning journey? Enroll now in the Lebanese Mega Bundle and unlock all courses to start speaking Lebanese Arabic and to achieve your communication goals, whether it's chatting to family members in Lebanese or traveling to Lebanon or simply learning colloquial Arabic. Visit the website and join today. The Lebanese Mega Bundle awaits you. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.